Today I am back on the water, this time on a river, to do some more kayak fishing. So this river that I'm on, it connects to a small bay. That's where I'm paddling to now. That bay looks like it has a good amount of weed coverage. So I'm thinking it's a really good spot to start out. And then throughout the day, I'm gonna be heading up and down this river, fishing in different spots as well. And we're gonna see if I can't catch myself a good fish here. I already saw one jump out of the water not too far back. So it looks like a good sign. I have to keep up a good pace here because I'm fighting the wind and the waves. It keeps wanting to push me back, so I gotta keep paddling or else I make no progress. However, on the way back, that means it should be much easier. So this river should turn eventually to the right. Okay, so here is where the river splits off left. Now it should turn right very shortly. I think I actually see it up ahead. And then after that is the marina. Really fighting these waves. I'm going right into the wind. Currently holding on to these weeds over here, trying to get a little bit of a break. I was paddling, but I was going completely nowhere. And I don't want to use up all my energy for nothing. Alright, I'm going to continue on here. The river turns up ahead, so I shouldn't have to fight the wind as much. I just figured out if I stay closer to the weed line, that the water's much calmer. Here comes the wind again. A little bit of it. This little spot. I'm actually gonna set up my rod here. So, I'm starting off with this spinner here. Good old rooster tail. Quickly throw this in, see if there's anything in this spot. Oh, I'm stuck on a weed. So many weeds here, you can't let it sink or else that's all you grab. I'm gonna get majority of this hard paddling done now. That way I can fish at the bay and then ride the waves all the way back down to the boat launch. Hold on a second. Free lure, baby. Let's go. Mepps Cyclops 1. I just saved myself 150 bucks. Maybe all you kayakers out there can answer me this question. How come I have to severely favor my left side when I'm rowing as opposed to my right? Even if I'm going directly into the wind? it feels like I gotta use my left arm. Well, no, it feels like I am using my left arm much more than I'm using my right. So here's the bay in front of me. You can see how it opens up. And at the mouth of the river, which is basically where I am, you can see that there's lots of different grass structures up ahead. Lots of lily pads, lots of structure. And here it is. Bay opens up over there. Past those weed patches, grass patches, it opens up even further. But I think I'm gonna find a spot here and start fishing. Cast. I am stuck. Go and get that. I'm gonna reel myself in closer here. Use the line to pull me in. No way this is a fish, right? No, okay. It was a weed. All right, let's go to a different spot. I want a spot with a little bit less weeds here. I'm sitting right on top of all of them, that's the thing. So I'm gonna go out, probably to that grass bed down there, and we're gonna see what's going on down there. Let's get back to casting, shall we? Uh-oh, I'm stuck again. Oh man, I'm gonna have to pull in the anchor again. Alright, I guess so. Alright, well, let's use this as an opportunity to change spots once again. Turn around, drop anchor. Still can't believe I found this. This is awesome. It looks brand new as well. Toss on this little fake minnow. So there's a little setup bobber, fake minnow. And now for lunch, what other than spicy Italian salami on a fishing trip? This is my go-to food, man. It's quick, it's high calorie. It's tasty. I don't think there's anything that beats it. Oh, fish on. bobber just went under. I'm not just saying that, it did. Believe me, it actually went down. I don't get the camera footage to prove it, but it did. Now, if you think that's the only thing I brought for lunch, you're mistaken. For dessert, I brought these Italian, they're like caramel cookies. Delicious, man. They're really good. See, it's like a big wafer cookie. Caramel isn't visible, but you can definitely taste it. I'm gonna try my Black Fury. This one I get a lot of success with, so I better change my luck today. Alright, let's try a different spot here. Have you ever heard of the term fan the lake? That means you cast out in like a fan. You cast out in all different directions from where you're fishing. That way you're covering all angles, you're not missing anything. And you're trying to find the fish. You're like, is it here? No. Here? No. And you keep going at like 10 degrees roughly, all the way around you. And then once you've cast it out, once you've fanned the lake, you find another spot and you do it again. And I think I fanned this spot, that's for sure. Shit. I'm free. Well, if that's not a sign I've fanned enough. Pulling the anchor will free this one up. Almost lost my rod. Alright, I think I'm gonna start heading down the river now. We'll go right to the mouth of the river. Not too far in, we'll try as we're moving. Oh, we're moving now. Now we got the wind to our backs, baby. Let's go. Such a different experience. Oh, it's just nothing but weeds.
That is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to check out the rest of my channel as I upload many other videos involving fishing and the outdoors. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a future video.